breaking news at this point of time. The Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut has changed his stand over taking over the Wankhede as well as the Brabant cricket stadiums in Mumbai. Earlier, the BMC officials had written letter to the Wankhede Stadium, that is the Mumbai Cricket Association, that they wanted to take over the Wankhede Stadium to build a quarantine facility. Based on that, Sanjay Raut also demanded that even the Brabant Stadium, maintained by the Cricket Club of India, should also be taken over. Whereas the minister, Aditya Thackeray, explained on his tweet saying that Corona centers can't be built at the Wankhede and Brabant Stadium. It was publicized that the Wankhede was going to be used for Corona patients. Brabant was going to stay empty. The ground should be saved. That's what is the explanation offered by Aditya Thackeray. Even the BMC commissioner has offered some explanation. Let's listen in.
ऑलरेडी हमारे पास 37,000 बेड्स का प्लानिंग है, जिसमें बहुत से होटल्स को हमने ले लिया था, बहुत से गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल्स को ले लिया था। उसके अलावा ये मैंने और जैसे आपको बताया कि जो क्लोज्ड स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, कारण अपने को मानसून को फेस करना है और मानसून को फेस करने के लिए ओपन ग्राउंड अच्छी जगह नहीं है। अगर एक कोई फ्लड आ गया या कोई लगातार साधन बारिश पड़ती रही तो आप मालूम सा कितना चिकल हो जाएगा।
So now the plan to take over the Wankhede Stadium has been dropped. Vidya, please tell us that why the BMC has suddenly decided to drop the Wankhede Stadium, take over the plan, because they have already taken over the MMRDA ground. The logic which they are applying for the Wankhede Stadium can also be applied for the MMRDA ground. What has changed?
So basically what has really changed is the fact that they have realized even the fact that MMRDA ground is ready. They don't really know as to how long it will suffice, whether heavy wind and the rain monsoon that Mumbai really sees could play a spoil sport to it. But remember that they do have a lot of structures already where containment zones can be made, as the BMC commissioner was pointing out. Say for example the RA area, where there is a large portion of land which is empty, which is not a grounded place. In fact, the entire dairy has been closed down long time ago. That entire RA dairy area can be used as a containment zone, as an area where COVID care centers can be opened up, or care could be given to the patients of coronavirus. Apart from that, there are various verticals, like for example the BMC parking lots that we know of. There are many parking lots that are remaining empty right now because of the offices being closed, and these parking lots can be used by the BMC as COVID care centers, is what the BMC has come up with. And there is ample space, according to the BMC, that they really do not need these places. They already have about 50,000 beds ready, and in the next coming days there will be another addition of 50,000 beds. So there will be 1 lakh beds that the BMC will have in its where it can actually put up all its number of patients that it has. So in fact the BMC is claiming that they have more beds right now compared to the number of patients who are coming in.
Right. So basically now the BMC thinks that there is no need for taking over the Wankhede Stadium, whereas earlier they had planned to take over Wankhede Stadium to build a quarantine center. In fact, now the BMC, as Vidya has been explaining, is trying to build up a facility where they can accommodate at least 1 lakh people, either the high-risk contacts or the asymptomatic patients, who can be accommodated at the institutional quarantine center CC1 and CC2 at various places. Thank you so much, Vidya, for explaining us about the BMC decision.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.